Hey there everyone, I'm Filmora and you are watching Technomania. In this tutorial on how to edit with Filmora, I am going to teach you guys that how to create a Marvel style intro in Filmora. At first, go to the sample color and choose this gradient red. Drag it to the timeline and expand its duration to 10 seconds. Now go to the text panel and into the title section and choose any title you want to. Now go to the settings of the title and delete that and write your own. Change the font to Baba's Neue, which is pre-embedded in Filmora, so you don't have to worry about finding it. Change the font size and then put it into the center. Now on the right side, drag it inwards like this so that there are less space between the letters. Now click here and put a gradient box like this. Expand it to the text length and then decrease the opacity to 0. Remove the border blur and increase the border opacity and change the color to white. And for the size, put it to 10. Now put another text and write whatever you want to. Decrease the font in this and then here, using this option, adjust it accordingly. Now in the last text, add a fade animation and remove the last fade. And remember to only put the animation into this text only. Now click OK and then double click on the gradient red. And then go to the LUT section and then put the darken LUT into it so that it has that Marvel dark red color in it. Now export this into a video, but remember to put the frame rate to 60 fps and the bitrate to 20,000 kbps. Now export. Now import the just created text and then put a gradient 6 into the timeline. And the text video into the PIP section. Adjust the gradient duration to the text video and then double click on the PIP video. And then put a fade zoom out effect so that it looks like this. Now export this into a video with the same settings as the previous one. Now import the images you want. I am going for the Marvel characters. You can use your personal images if you want to. Select all the images and then drag them into the timeline. Now this is the main part. Expand the timeline a bit and then use the right arrow key to go to 3 frames further, like this. And then split the image and then delete the rest. And do this with others too. 1, 2, 3, cut and then delete the rest. Now I am fast forwarding this process. Now once it's done, go to the transition tab and search for flip. Now use this flip roll 1 transition and then put it between these clips like this. Now copy all this and paste it into the end. Now we have 2 sets now. To make it a random and not a loop, customize the position of some clips. And then with the same settings, export the video. Now import the image video and then put it 3 times into the timeline. Now go to the third one and then into the edit section put the speed to 3 times. For the second one, put the speed to 2 times. And for the first one, put the speed to 1.5 times. Now export this whole into a video. Now import both the image and the text clip, and then put the image clip into the timeline. Then go to the crop and zoom. Here choose pan and zoom. Now select the internal pan and then click this reverse icon. And then again select the inner pan and then put it above so that the pan and zoom wheel starts from above. It is not much noticeable, but it still gives a good motion to it. You can skip this part if you want to. Now put the text video into the PIP track. And then right click and go to the green screen. Into the compositing section, choose the exclusion. Now if you play it, you will notice that in the end, it suddenly disappears. So to counter this, go to the transition tab and choose fade effect. Now put it in the end and slightly decrease the duration. And then put it in the start and decrease its duration. Now put a cinematic black border and then voila, you are done. Export this into a video. So guys, what are your thoughts on this video? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you think that this video is worthwhile, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can able to bring amazing videos like this for you. Till then, see you later.